Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's up? All right, what we're going to do right now is we're going to be covering section 1.4, properties of real numbers, and particularly we're going to be talking about the distributive property. And so the distributive property is represented right here. It's very, very simple here. If I had A times A plus B, so again, this is my group of two terms, A plus B, then that means I have to multiply A times B, which is why I get the product AB. So this means multiply right here. And then I have to do A times C, and that's where I get plus AC. So this right here, both of those means multiply. Okay, and same thing over here. If this term out here, which is being multiplied, it doesn't matter if it's in the front or if it's in the back of it, like on the left side or on the right side. You just have to multiply everything that is inside the parentheses, and then we get that product. All right, so what we're going to do now, let's go ahead and apply that to these problems down here, okay? All right, so we're going to do, if I want to multiply 2 times the quantity, k plus 3, I do 2 times k, and I get 2k. Okay, so notice that I don't have to put 2 and then like a little dot right here. Okay, you don't have to put a dot right there. That's not necessary. When you have two letters that are written together, like AB or 3K, then this means the product, or like multiply. All right, so just so you know that right there. Okay, and then we have to do 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so 2 times a positive 3 is a positive 6. That's why you got to put a plus right there. All right. Now coming over here, 2/3 times x. Well, a number times a variable is just the number and variable together. So pretty simple there. Minus, because a positive times a negative is a negative. Now what about this? Now I'm going to do this down here. 2/3 times 3. So check out this nerdiness. You see how we have a 3 on top, 3 on the bottom? That means I can divide both the top and the bottom by 3. So if I divide this by 3, I get 1. If I divide that by 3, I get 1. So really 2 times 1, which is just 2. So 2/3 times 3 is really just 2. And that's it right there. Coming over here to example B, negative 4 times a positive 5 is negative 20. And then negative 4 times a negative x. Again, remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, so we have a positive 4x. All right, so here, just because that there's 3 terms now instead of parentheses, doesn't mean that the problem changes. So let's do the same thing. Negative 3 times 2x is a negative 6x. Cool. Negative 3 times a negative 5y is a positive 15y. And a negative 3 times a positive z is a negative 3z. And there's that example right there.